Good morning. MC Tour Ohio is getting ready to head out to Wingding 41 on the 2018 Goldwing. Since this bike has a little less space than the previous bike, we wanted to give you a quick review of what we do to travel to up and confirm we have enough storage for a 4-day trip. We will wear our normal riding gear, helmets, jackets, riding jeans for me, and riding leggings for Alicia. Ladies, Alicia just got these from Revzilla and she loves them. They had great protection on the bike and they look really good off the bike. I'll put a link to them in the description. Now for the packing. We're going to carry most of the stuff we would carry on a 4-day trip. Bathroom amenities, at least 2 changes of clothes. Got to have the underwear. We'll also carry our rain gear and jacket liners in case it gets cool in the evening. I don't like to get caught without the proper gear. I also get the extra pain of carrying around a CPAP machine. We got to make that sucker fit too. To do this, we'll leverage the built-in saddlebags in the trunk of the Goldwing. We'll leverage the Tour Master Cruiser 3 Tour trunk bag, which you can see behind me here. We'll also use the Honda accessory saddlebag luggage, which you can see here also. It just makes things getting in and out of the hotel a little bit easier. We got to keep our weight distribution balanced to minimize the heavy things in the top bag. I don't want that coming through the top of the trunk. Stay tuned. We'll give you a quick overview of how we do it. Getting ready to head out to Wingding 41. So we got everything packed on the bike. I wanted to give you a little tour of how we got everything packed up. So you can see we got rain gear, warm weather jackets, my wonderful CPAT in the trunk. We were able to get all the luggage and the luggage bags from there, plus camera gear is stowed in the back section here. And we got our Tour Master bag here in the back, very lightly packed. Just got the bike cover, extra set of gloves, and just our toiletries on the top here, very light. Keeps that nice and steady. And then we also have power supplies and stuff in the side bag here. The bike's all ready to go. We just can't wait to head out. And we'll see you at Wingding 41 in Nashville, Tennessee.